Good afternoon. It is 1:25 here in Hermitage, Tennessee, Saturday, March the 28th. This is a sound level check because it has finally gotten to the point in the year to where I've got my fan on. It's on its lowest setting, and I'm trying to determine now exactly how much it interferes if I have it on while I'm recording. Like I say, this is just a sound check, no information about anything that's upcoming that will be done in a later video today or tomorrow morning. Changes effective starting Sunday. And that's about it. I'm going to end the recording now to see how this renders and if I'm going to have to turn this fan off every time I make a recording, or whether I just wait till it cools down at night to make a recording and not have the fan on at all. Thanks for watching.